Hi guys, dahil wala tayong pambili ng labubu, meron lang tayong pang kit, pang cellphone. So, ayan, dala ni Vince. So, eto, surprise siya pag kinuha mo. So, yan. So, kung gusto nyong mag-order, PM nyo lang sila ni Zar. Ayan. Just for only 200. Ang cute-cute niya, no? Surprise naman siya. So, pipili ang 3 bagets dahil cute siya. At saka ako, kasali ako pala. Try natin. Free yung surprise. Hindi natin alam kung ano yun nandun sa loob. Because it's Ate Jang's birthday, so let them treat them. Go.
Tatlo.
Okay, you choose one, guy. Go.
Wait lang, unyo muna open.
Go, guys.
Okay. Tingnan nyo yung box kung alin yung gusto nyong makuha.
Okay.
Check nyo yung box kung alin yung gusto nyong
Okay.
Dito sa gilid, ito.
Okay.
Pili ka muna, Ate Jang. Si Ate Jang muna, Ate Jang.
Okay, si Ate Jang
Anong
first.
gusto mo makuha?
Ay, ito pa rin.
Yung strawberry. O, si Top.
Which one? Sa'yo.
Ano yan? Apple. Si Ate Yang.
Okay, Ate Yang. Let me see which one you want.
Sino kayang makakakuha ng gusto nila?
Yes, sino kaya? Okay, let's go. Come here, Ate. Show it to them.
Sino una?
Show it to the
Si
camera.
Top daw una. Mag-open.
Okay.
Green apple.
Green apple. Tulungan mo, Vince.
Open natin.
Okay.
May green apple?
Okay na, open ko
Hindi
lang.
mo nga kaya eh.
Go.
Show it to the camera. Okay.
Ano kaya yan?
What is that? What is that? Topper Faster.
Alam ko.
Ayaw niyo.
Ay! Apple pero red.
Wow!
Ay, cherry.
It's a cherry on top. Wow!
Cherry na kuha ni
Show it to
Top.
the camera. Wow!
Kakulay mo naman, okay lang.
Okay, next, Ate
Next,
Jang.
Ate Jang. Ano sa'yo, Jang? Strawberry.
Ewan ko pa kayo.
Okay, we'll see
Ay,
again.
nabuksan yan.